So it certainly is a sentiment and a little bit of de-risking going on. And you could look at as far as the altcoin market, and some of the altcoins that had these tremendous runs years ago are literally at multi-year lows. And that's what that's telling us, is that the risk appetite is starting to contract. And again, if we look at things on that card and say, okay, well, what's the highest risk factors? And altcoins would be at the top of the list, then Bitcoin after that. And so we've started to see a lot of money being pulled out of these high risk areas and moving into places like the stock market over the last 6 to 8 months, like gold, for instance, which has had a tremendous run and continues to show relative strength. And so I think there's this money rotation away from the super high risk, still risky, but just at a lower level. But I generally think that's going to continue. One interesting note from the technicals: if you look at 2017, when the bull market high on Bitcoin occurred, the stock market topped about 6 weeks later, right? So 6 weeks after the 2017 top in Bitcoin, the stock market topped. In 2021, Bitcoin topped out. And again, 6 weeks later, the stock market topped out. And what we've seen here is Bitcoin's topped out about 6 to 8 weeks ago. And it does make me concerned that it's a leading indicator for a bigger market rollover here. Plus, the technicals are signaling that.